new at midday. They are called micro bubbles, small bubbles with a solid shell and a gas inside, and they work in tandem with radiation treatment. New hope is on the horizons for millions suffering with advanced liver disease.
By getting access just to the tumor blood supply with a catheter and depositing the beads only within the tumor, the hope is we're cooking those tumors but not the surrounding liver, not the healthy tissue.
Liver cancer is one of the most deadly cancers, largely due to hepatitis C. In addition, an increase in fatty liver disease can cause further complications.
Someone who has obesity, diabetes, may not appreciate any symptoms. It's very important that they be checked by their primary care physician and perhaps referred to a hepatologist.
Because liver cancer is so deadly, researchers are testing the microbubbles. Glass radiation beads are inserted into the liver, then the microbubbles are infused into the blood.
We can focus our ultrasound beam only on the liver tumor. So while the bubbles are circulating everywhere in the body, we can use the ultrasound and focus that just on the tumor itself and pop the bubbles only within the tumor or that surrounding area.
When the bubbles pop, they boost the radiation. Getting them into the body is similar to other types of medical procedures.
For the patients, it's like having an angiogram done, or for those patients who've had cardiac catheterizations, it would be very similar. So you can access the blood vessel either in the wrist or in the groin.
The early findings, still in clinical trials, show good response.
So the hope with a lot of these therapies is you first destroy that blood supply, and that essentially starves the tumor, and then it begins to shrink over time.
Right now, the researchers are using commercial bubbles off-label, but are also working with chemists and engineers to put chemomeds, oxygen, and other combinations inside the microbubbles. The hope is that they will circulate throughout the blood, shrink the tumor, and give patients a longer lifespan.